Do you know how ecosystems evolve around us? And do you know how ecosystem biodiversity increases? Okay. Did you hear about mature and diverse ecosystem? Believe me, it's all about ecological succession. To understand the changes that creates these biodiversities, we need to take a look at these communities over time, year after year after year after year, to finally reach the climax community. Climax is basically what's going to happen after succession. On this side, we have disturbance such as fire, human activities, floods, and nuclear radiation. Let's look at this chart and explain. We'll start with the rocks. Then pioneer species appear like lichens and mosses. Because of weathering, the community starts to get soil. Then other species start to grow and nourish. Grass gets taller, taking sunlight. They're gonna be replaced by other species, which eventually we will have woody plants and some different organisms such as trees, which lead to reaching the climax community. So, it's a series of steps by which life comes back. To summarize all that, a climax community is an equilibrium state, mature, different group of plants and animals, considered as the final stage of succession, remaining relatively unchanged. Ecosystems may experience frequent disturbances again. That's all. Thanks for watching.